In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the latest Windows 11 without using a USB drive in just 5 minutes. This straightforward process ensures you can keep up with the latest features without the need for additional hardware. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the official Microsoft website. There, you'll find a page dedicated to downloading Windows 11. It's crucial that you visit the official page to ensure you're getting the authentic software version and to avoid any potential security risks from third-party sources. Once you're on the Microsoft site, scroll down to find the section labeled Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This is your gateway to a seamless installation experience. Click on the Download Now button under this section, which will initiate the download of the Windows 11 Installation Assistant file. After the download is complete, locate the file named Windows 11 Installation Assistant (exe) on your PC. You'll need to run this file to begin the installation process. Depending on your system settings, you might be prompted to grant administrator permissions. Don't worry, this is a normal part of the installation process, and it ensures that the software can be installed properly. As the assistant launches, it will perform an essential check to confirm that your PC meets the system requirements for Windows 11. If your system is compatible, you will see an option to accept and install. Click this to proceed. It's important to remember that meeting the system requirements is crucial for a smooth user experience with Windows 11, as they ensure you can take full advantage of the new features without any hitches. With your approval, the installation assistant will get to work, downloading and installing Windows 11 in the background. The beauty of this process is that you can continue to use your PC for other tasks while the installation progresses. This means no downtime, and you can carry on with your usual activities as the installation proceeds quietly in the background. You'll know the installation is ready when you receive a notification prompting you to restart your computer. You have the option to restart immediately, or, if you prefer, you can let the system automatically restart after a set timer. This flexibility allows you to complete any ongoing work before transitioning to the new operating system. Finally, after your computer restarts, the installation will complete, and you'll be greeted by the fresh and modern Windows 11 desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Windows 11 without a USB drive, seamlessly upgrading to a new generation of Windows. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. Enjoy exploring all that Windows 11 has to offer, and remember to keep your system updated for the best experience.